Arrived cooking class.
يلا هدية عليهم.
When you are going to the children's home, dinner center,
We just had our Moroccan tea and biscuits. And now, wow, so pretty. So we've got the lift up. Wowza. Bonza. Wowie. With the mountains in the back. Whoa. This is a setup.
Thank you. That's what you do. It's like, no, you're right.
Thank you. Serving it up.
Oh, she's hot.
She's very hot.
Big one.
Yes, chef. She's hot.
Well, they're gonna have us chop with them. They don't want chocolate.
Here we go. We're on the camera now. Gonna try and set it up somewhere. Don't really know where.
Chefs in Morocco, we have different ways of cooking eggplants, but this one is our favorite because it gives it a smoky flavor. She's so good. Okay. Just started the fire with a paper towel. Huge, so we don't trust anyone with a lighter.
Thank you.
Guys, you have an onion?
Yeah.
Everyone has an onion?
Yeah.
Chef, I think your onion is too small.
My onion?
No, yours, Chef.
I don't really like a lot of onion.
I think, oh, so the bigger your onion, the more gravy you're gonna have. Do you like gravy or not?
No.
Okay, so let's do this. Do this one.
I'm incredibly fussy, so I'm probably not really gonna eat it.
So you want me to do that? It's alright. On the top, and you're taking the first layer off. Not just the peel, but like the whole onion layer off, please. Once we do that, chefs, you need to slice your onions into thin slices. Oh, ours is...
Oh, thank you.
We got water for everybody. Are you sensitive, chef?
Yeah.
Yeah, onions in the pot, please.
And
No, chef, no. Chef, you cut it in a half from the top.
Oh, half.
Yep, and then you
I'm so
slice it.
stressed.
So we're not gonna peel. Chef, pay attention. We're not gonna peel. You can put more if you guys like more garlic. So one by one, no peeling. We're just gonna grate them with the medium size of the grater. Okay, chef?
Yes, chef.
No, chef. Chefs, are you turning your eggplant from time to time?
Yes.
Yes.
It's cooking up. I think this is burning.
What is this saffron for?
My tomato sauce has not worked out.
Yeah, what happened there?
I don't know. So I burnt it. So she's had to swap it with hers. Oops. This is why I don't cook. I'm dying.
Okay.
Are you recording? Yeah. How we're holding in.
A little hot. Guys, give it a stir. And you need to go faster because you don't want to burn your tomato.
Yes, chef. What are you? Idiot sandwich.
Okay, it's up to you. Once you put some cilantro in, give it a stir on the stove. Off the stove, everybody. And I'm going to need you now to taste it. Sorry, chef. I'm going to need you to taste it to see if it needs any more seasoning, like any more salt or any more cayenne. Huh? Okay, off the stove now.
Got a lot of garlic.
Taste it.
I need some water. That's really fucking spicy. Okay, we're going to get you
It is
that was
spicy.
your water.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Nailed it.
Oh, God.
Okay, I don't think I can do it. Sorry, I don't think I can do it.
How much spice did you put? Too much.
Y'all got spicy.
Oh, come on. Chef, if you think they're good, you can spoon it in the bowl, please. If it's not, it doesn't need any more seasoning, please put it in the bowl. Okay. Sorry.
No more seasoning.
I thought I was going to go either. No more seasoning.
Actually, that's not bad.
Okay.
I don't like the texture of the flavor.
Guys, you have a bowl? You can put more. A bowl?
Okay, first one's done. No idea what it is, but we're good. I had to roll my skirt up because I'm sweating.
Oh, shit, I need some water.
Actual sweat pouring off me.
Let's get a little
so
Digicam
bad.
picture.
Looking like this? Yeah. I'm actually crying.
Everybody with a lid like this one.
From the
That one
top
like
of
this?
the pot.
Just put it here. Okay?
Wow. Enough we can repeat it. Yeah.
Well,
It's interesting that it doesn't matter. I had a red onion, and they said it didn't matter. Chicken on top, right?
then you put the lid on the side.
Didn't we pick this today?
What?
Today when we cooked
olives?
Yeah, didn't
Yeah, we got them.
yeah.
Do you remember?
Nice cheese stick.
He loves me, he doesn't like me though.
You call that a love?
We get, to make it, we get what we call the pastilla dough. The pastilla dough is a bit similar to filo or phyllo.
I don't know. If you get another knife, I'll do it with you. How do you cut an X-ray?
Don't know. Don't know. You're asking the wrong person. How would you like it to go?
Oh, just slices.
And it's just stir everything. Okay, chef, behind.
I think just do feels like the steak. Oh. Right, okay.
First we put the custard, okay? Then the first layer of dough. Then more custard. So fruits اللي شوية مش هذا. Another layer of custard. بلا قرفة أسامة أنا كنقول بلا قرفة.
Okay, that looks pretty fancy. Yeah.
Making my dessert.
Okay, I'm gonna ask.
Yours is like chucked together.
Where when riding the camels and what to wear when riding the ATVs.
You're a pro?
Oh, like
Okay. Hey. Bon appetit.
30 minutes, 45 minutes.
Stars luxury camp.
Oh, it's a beautiful one. You guys are gonna.
Yeah, we're fancy.
Alright, fancy people.
Yeah.
Hope so.
But I'm gonna give it a go.
All right.
Get a little celiac approved.
Yeah, hopefully. That's your.
Yes, girl, get it. I don't know.
Oh, cream first.
Cream first.
On the bottom.
Yeah. Background. It's like a little
Period. Oh, hang on. Sun has now set. Hang on. Look how beautiful this little rooftop is, though. Okay, here we go. Starter,
We're staying at the
Main.
the best hotel in the region.
Dessert.
It's very nice.
It's very nice.
I don't think I'm going to eat any of it.
So we're now down for dinner. This is my dinner. I'm so over it. Thank you. Here she is. Can't wait to eat none of that. Dessert is served.
Maybe
Here
that's
she
why their
is.
marriage works so perfectly, is that because they don't have to spend time together.
Wow. Good morning. It's the next day. It's Friday. We're going.
So we are in Salih side, and very soon we will cross to Rabat side.
Made it to Rabat. Time for some dinner. That's our tour guide on that car. So, suits him. Here we go, we've ordered lunch. We're now going for the boat ride. And I hope I get a life jacket. We get... Oh.
And in the front, and you let the center to the gap. Yeah. All right, Bet, you stay here.
Yeah? You can do Titanic on this. Go on, you're at the head of the boat.
Had it the other day at the principal gas station.
And it has fish on it. This looks so good. Wow. So I've come to see this mosque and also this mosque, which was unfinished. Apparently it was meant to be double the height that it is now, but an earthquake hit, so they never actually finished it, I think was the gist. Slay. Where are we now?
Some castle, I think. I don't know. We're gonna see. Casper.
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 We're in Casper. I wasn't listening. Rabat. Flies everywhere. And this is the first sightseeing point that I've spotted. I might have to go back there. And essentially, oh my god, these flies! It's very different to everywhere else. Made it to the sea. Bit windy. So nice though.
That's not Rabat. You can just walk to.
I think they might be waiting a while for a wave.
I thought you thought Spike
I did not expect the beach to be this big at all. So pretty. The gardens here are so nice, aren't they? This place is so beautiful. I'm not the only one who got scammed by a henna
I
artist.
paid less than you though.
Yeah, true. Dinner for tonight. Again, can't wait. Got the goods, thank God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means I'm gonna win the lottery. Dinner has been had. I've got McDonald's for the poorly gal. Take her one back. This is so cheap over here, by the way. I got a cheeseburger, fries and a small drink and it cost £2 something, which the UK could never. Back at the guest house. I need to know who this guy is. I thought it was. Oh my gosh. Look at the doggies. Hey doggy.
You're making it look good. Yes. I've done for 20 odd years.
We came up to watch the sunset, but I think we're in the way. So we're going back down. I bet it is nice at the beach, to be fair. Oh, big yawn.
I already ate breakfast.
Oh, did you? Breakfast. These are a bit of me. We're on the move. The socks and sandals are giving. Back in Marrakesh. We made it back to Marrakesh. It's hot. We've just come to the main mosque to try and get a photo, but there's scaffolding all over it. So pretend that that's not there. This is the main mosque of Marrakesh. Wow. Yes. Look at this. Guess what we've got for dinner? 3rd time in a week. No complaints. We're back. Breakfast time. Home sweet home. We're back. Did you miss us? Because we missed you. dinner's here.
Like, can I move this
Finally
slightly?
some food that I like. Oh my god.
Oh, thank you.
That looks incredible. Oh my god. The aesthetics photos are done. This is the reality.
50-50. Yum, yum, yum.
So, tonight's been a bit of a, not a fail, but it started off as a bit of a fail. We've literally come back to this hostel that we were in the first few nights, and we've literally just chilled all day, hardly done anything. I look naked, I do have a top on. We've literally just chilled all day. It was very needed, it was very nice. I'm slightly burnt, we've done a bit of sunbathing up the top. And then we came back down, went upstairs, had a shower and everything got changed. Came back down for some dinner in the restaurant here. This is a hostel. So we came back down for some food from there. And they're closed for a buffet. So we then had a little search-a-rooney, and we found that Italian place which you would have seen. And oh my god, it was incredible, so good. Then we just come back to the hostel now, tried to go on the pool table which is just in there, and we don't have any coins. Tried to change them, the bar and the reception don't have any coins. So now we're just sat chilling again, on our phones again, scrolling away, yapping. It's 8:10 and we're both like ready for bed, but we don't want to go to bed yet because we know that we won't be able to sleep or that we'll be up in the morning dead early. Our flight is at 9:55 tomorrow, so we need to be up at like 6, so we don't want to get up too early. Also, I look very strange in this light. Do I look tanned? Am I tanned yet? No. We've made it to the airport and that was a close one. He asked me to size my bag in the little cubby things again, and I thought I was going to have to pay, but we're all good. Now we need to get rid of this secret bag that he doesn't know about. Home time. It's hot. Sun's out. Here we go.
Just a bit like a free for all.
Yes, it is. Definitely a free for all.